Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color and yellow ochre color. So kids, now we draw alphabets. And first we draw A and use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use yellow color. Yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use red color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use green color. Green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.